God damn it, Stuart. Stuart! Stuart! Down the hill. Stuart finally heard him down there. This is a downhill, let me tell you. It's starting to dry out though. I just don't like going past a bunch of stumps and shit. Down these hills are coming up. This will be fun. Good God. It's like down a half a freaking mile here. It's starting to dry out a little bit. Huh?
Roll right over that in front of you, you'll be good.
Yeah, I know, but you're not tall and big like me. See how fast I get going with those freaking, even with the brakes on? I hate downhills.
Yeah, that shit right there make it 10 times better. Right?
But now we know that trail.
Dude, I'm telling you, if you go to Windrock